Every second, thousands of energy drink cans begin an incredible journey inside one of the world's most advanced beverage factories. Today, before production begins, every ingredient is carefully tested to ensure it meets strict quality and safety standards, advanced laboratory technology, before they enter the manual process. With every ingredient carefully approved, the automated production system begins the mixing process. Computer-controlled equipment combines purified water, vitamins, minerals. As the perfectly blended formula leaves the mixing tanks, it immediately enters a sophisticated pasteurization system. Moments later, the liquid ensures maximum safety while preserving the drink. After rapid cooling, the beverage continues through the same production line into an advanced carbonation system. Here, before the drink moves to the automated filling process. With carbonation complete, the beverage flows directly into the high-speed filling line. Advanced automated systems fill thousands of aluminum cans every hour. As each can leaves the filling station, it moves directly into a high-speed sealing system. Precision engineering locks every lid into place. Before labeling begins, every sealed can passes through an advanced AI inspection system. High-speed cameras and precision sensors examine each can for perfect fill level. After passing the final inspection, each can moves directly into the automated labeling station. High-speed robotic systems apply every label with you to the final packing process.
With labeling complete, the cans continue directly into the fully automated packaging line. Intelligent robotic systems organize.
Once each multi-pack is securely wrapped, it moves directly into the automated carton packing system. Intelligent robots carefully load every package into shipping cartons. After leaving the smart warehouse, every pallet moves directly to the automated loading docks. Intelligent logistics systems coordinate.
After an incredible journey, the finished cans finally reach retail stores. Within hours, they are carefully stocked on supermarket shelves, ready to be picked up by millions.
From carefully selected ingredients to one of the world's most advanced automated production lines, every step is designed for precision, quality, and efficiency.